Next, we will understand what is query parameter in Power Query Editor. So the query parameters, the name suggest it is a variable. Parameter is nothing but a variable. Okay. The query parameter is a variable. It allows us to dynamically modify the um, the behavior of our query or set of queries. That is what query parameter is all about. Okay. Okay, what is so big deal about query parameter? What kind of scenarios can I use the query parameter? It will enable the end users to reuse the report developed by desktop users. For that purpose, we can use query parameter. Second use case is enable the end users to view only the relevant data. Okay. And third use case is parameters to be modified only by the model authors. Hence, there is a centralized control here. And the last one is simplify the process of release management. For these different scenarios or use cases, we will be using the query parameter in the Power BI. Okay. So by changing this, changing the value to the parameters that is loaded, in Power BI data model, right? It'll dynamically change the output, okay, on the fly. So why query parameter? To prevent the end users to modify these parameters, this has to be controlled only by the Power BI models. And for these scenarios, we'll be using this one. So let us explore the first scenario. Enable the end user to reuse the report developed by desktop users. For example, let us take the same example or so. Okay, we'll take the same example. We have sufficient data available here. What I will do is, I will just go and delete the parameters which I created already. And I just click on this one and I'll just launch the Power Query Editor. Here already I have this one. I just right click on it, delete and see is it possible? Cannot because it's being represented by another query AGG sales too. Okay, what I will do is I'll just go and delete this thing here because here we are not using this data set at all, right? This is for group by, and so I delete the data set itself. Then obviously I should be able to delete the parameter because that query parameter I used it in that data set. Now I have the sales fact table. Okay, fine. So what I'll do is I'll just close and apply. And here what I do is I will create a simple report. I click on the, 1 second, it is applying it now. Oh my God, it's too hot in Chennai here. I just click on this table visual. You can see the table visual here. I just delete this crap thing. Okay, and here I just look here. I'm going to drop the first name from the customer dimension table into my table, table visual. I can see all the customer name. Customer name, which is nothing but the first name, came from customer dimension table. And then next in the sales fact table, I just drop the quantity. And then I'm going to drop the sales amount. And we don't have any region. Yeah, location key also, I'll just drop it here. Okay. Okay, the location key also, I'll just drop it here. Fine. Location key is there here. Okay. And what I will do is I'll just move the location key, in the upward thing. Okay. I made it as a first column. Okay. Location. I'll just change the font size so that all of you can say, please listen patiently. 1 second. I'll just finish it in 5 minutes time. I'll not take much time. So here you can see all the things. Okay. So what I will do is, I'll just copy paste this one. And in this visual, Control C, Control V. Yeah. I'm going to remove the name and all. I don't need a name. And quantity also we don't need it. So this is the report I have it. Okay. I'm going to see this is a table visual. Now I want to convert it as a column chart. So what you need to just click on the column chart. It will get changed automatically to the column chart. So now, okay, anyhow, this one is for our reference. I'll just minimize, I'll keep it aside. And this one, I will just, resize it. So with this, you can see that in Chennai, the sale is more. The Chennai, the sales is more. Okay, fine. But in this report, you can see Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune, Kolkata, Bangalore. So I think LLR is Bangalore. So there is some inconsistency. So, right, since this also belongs to Bangalore. Okay. So all the cities sales breakdown, I can see that with a single chart. Okay, fine. But do you think this report can be seen by all these cities managers? Chennai, you have a manager. Delhi, each location, you have a managers. Each manager should be able to see only their specific location data, isn't it? For example, you are the vice president sales. You are supposed to, you are, handling Chennai and Bangalore only. Okay. So in that case, whenever you log into this report, you should be able to see only the Chennai and Bangalore related sales data. In this case, I have how many cities we are doing business? See, 8 cities we are doing business. That is fine. If I do the business across the globe, we are selling our products across, the 100 countries. 100 countries we are doing the business. Let's say you are an India manager, you want to view only the India related sales. If you belong to Hyderabad location, you wanted to see, because you are the manager for Hyderabad, you want to see, you are interested in Hyderabad sales only, because you want to understand how much sales made actually, how much sales we projected or targeted. Actual versus target, you want to see that. As an Hyderabad manager, you want to see only Hyderabad sales. As a Chennai manager, you want to see only the Chennai sales, right? So for that, you will end up creating a separate report for Chennai, separate report for Hyderabad, and separate report for your, vice president or an AVP, assistant vice president. He is the one responsible Chennai, Bangalore, and Pune. For him, separate report wherein it shows Chennai, Bangalore, Pune. You need to create multiple reports. With query parameter, you don't have to create multiple reports. Okay. So you can create only one report and share the report to all the managers. When they download this report file and when they open this report file, it will ask them to enter the location name. For example, you have received this report, you are in Chennai. When you open the report, it will ask you to enter the city name or the location. And if you type CHN is Chennai, okay? It show only Chennai related data. If you are a vice president, you want to see Chennai, Bangalore, Pune. If you select the Chennai, Bangalore, Pune, it will show only that 3 cities data. Okay. With the single report, with the help of the query parameter, you can allow multiple users to access this single report with respect to the specific city only using query parameter. We will see how we can achieve it. I'm going to launch the Power Query Editor. There are 3 types of query parameters are available. One is the any list of values query. I'll just go and show it here. So what I will do is I will keep the cursor somewhere at the bottom here. Okay. Just beneath the queries. Okay. In the empty space, right click on it. You'll find the new parameter. Or else you can see it here, manage parameters. If you click on the drop down, here also you can create the new parameter. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll right click on it and then click on the new parameter. Both of them same. Okay. So let's this is parameter one. What I will do is let's CHN manager. Okay. CHN parameter. Okay. Okay. We'll give some common name here. Correct. Okay. Parameter. Here I just say city parameter. Okay. Meaningful name. the name of the parameter. You can give whatever name that you want. Next one is the type. Type is any, and here the data type. Okay, it's a text data type. City is a text, right? Text data type. This parameter is a text data type, text data type. And then this one, you need to select any one of the any list of values query. If I click on it, any value list of, but I'll start with the any value. The current value, I'll just say GHN. Okay. So if I hit OK, a parameter will get created with the name of city parameter. Step one, I have created a parameter by the name of city. You can see that here, right? So as soon as I create the parameter, you can see that the current value, manage parameter, everything. So later point in time, you realize, no, man, I made a mistake. Click on the manage parameter. You go and modify it here. For example, here instead of saying Chennai, I want to say BLR, Bangalore. I'm going to hit OK. So the default value is Bangalore. Now that I have created a parameter, I have to use it, isn't it? Otherwise, there is no point in creating a parameter. Where can I use this parameter? I'm going to select the sales fact table. In the sales fact table, you have the location key column. Click on the drop down, and here you will find the text filters. Click on this one. Wait for some time. I don't know why it is not. Okay, here equals. I'm going to select equals. Look here. What did I do in the second step? I selected the location key column from my sales fact table, and then you can see that location key, right? So apply one or more filtering to the rows in this table. Keep rows where location key equals what? Here I can go and say Bangalore directly. But what will happen is when you share this report to someone, right? Or if I save this and then if I share it to you, whenever you open the report, show only Bangalore related data. To make the report dynamic, I'm going to click on the drop down here. I'm going to select parameter. Look here, the city parameter I have created here, right? This is the one. I just mapped it here. So the city parameter I created as a first step, I need to use it. I have used it in the location key column. This is step 2. How did I use it? Here I just clicked on this one, right? The city parameter got selected here. Okay. And then I'm going to hit OK now. The default value was Bangalore. It will select only Bangalore here. Wait for some time. Still it is being processed. Can you see that the progression bar, the dot are running here? Let's wait for that. Means we need to wait. Look here, only the Bangalore related records got filtered. Fine. Next, I just go and click on the close and apply. I don't know why, inner join, rest of them. Okay, because those tables I deleted it, isn't it? Because of it, that became inactive. Oh my God, I should have deleted that. It will not allow me to load this one. Because in the inner join, I have used the customer dimension table that I removed it, isn't it? Hence, it became inactive. It will not allow me to load the entire thing. So I'm going to cancel it here. Okay, 1 second. I just discard the changes. One more time, I will redo that. Okay, discard it. I'm going to click on the transform data. I just click on this one here. I'll just remove those became stale. I just remove this. This one I stored another. Okay. Merge operation. Okay, man. I removed it. I have another file I can manage. Okay, no problem. I just remove this one. I should have renamed it. But I have the customer dimension. Everything is available, right? 1 second, guys. I just undo this. because I'm planning to share these files in, once I share it, you're not supposed to get, yeah, let it be there, everything. Discord changes. Yeah, Discord. Now I just save this as, here I just say as a query parameter, okay? I selected this put as a dat one and query parameter. It's up to you, okay? Query parameter in Power Query. I just save it. We are done. We are done. So the query parameter, we don't need all the tables, okay? We don't need all the tables. But the idea remains same, okay? I just go here and click on the transform data. Now, I just launch the Power Query again. Because that is where we can do the creation, okay? The inner join, outer join is not related, because in this report file, we are going to explore on the Power Query, sorry, the query parameter. Let the customer dimension be there. That is not going to be a showstopper, or I will remove that one also, okay? So I'm going to create a new parameter now. Click on the parameter. And here I say city parameter. And then the data type is text data type. The type of the parameter is any value. And I just say CHN as the default value. I just hit OK now. Parameter got created. How I need to use it? Where am I going to use this one? I'm going to use it in the location key column. Here the text filters, I just keep the cursor here. And when I hover towards the right side, I'm going to select the equals. So here equals parameter, city parameter, okay? So now this, initially the Chennai will get copied here. So the location key is equivalent to Chennai. Only that record will get filtered. This is step 2. Step 1, I create the parameter, and then I use the parameter in location key column. So we are done. Only Chennai it shows. Now what I do is I just go and close this and apply. It will take for a few seconds. Now we have only one table, hence the performance is good. So now the question is, how can I test this? Look here, in this chart, it was displaying all the city name, right? All the city sales, Chennai, Bangalore, CHN, BLR, Hyderabad and all. Now it shows only CHN because I have used the query parameter. For the query parameter, I assign the default value as Chennai. Now you might be asking this, and this is fine, man. Yeah, I live in Hyderabad. I'm a Hyderabad branch manager. I want to see Hyderabad related. How can I see that? If I save this report and when I send it to you, when you download this report file from your email or so in your laptop, and when you open it, it will ask this one. Data source, not this, not data source setting, sorry. The last one, edit parameters. So when you open the report, it will ask you to enter the value for the city parameter. Usually what we'll give, enter city name here, okay? So here, let's say you're Hyderabad, right? You just type HYD. This HYD will get copied to the city parameter. This city parameter now as the value of Hyderabad, and the corresponding Hyderabad location will get, a filter will get applied on my location key column. Hence, my data set will show only the Hyderabad in this visual. Look here, I'm going to hit OK. What will happen is this CHN will get changed to HYD. Hyderabad. You are in Hyderabad. I shared the report. The moment when you open the report, it asked you to enter the city name. You just entered a Hyderabad, HYD. Now it shows Hyderabad, isn't it? Similarly, you are from Bangalore. When you open the report that I shared it, so how many report I created? Only one report. I published on cloud. When you guys download it, It will ask you to enter the city name. You need to enter the city name for which you are responsible. Let's say you are a Bangalore manager, enter BLR. Okay. Hit OK. And here it will show the Bangalore sales only. So Hyderabad, how much? It was 7,896. Just wait for a few seconds. Click on the apply and wait for some time. 7,896 for Hyderabad, and Bangalore is 5,532. So we made a single report dynamic with the help of the query parameter. Hope all of you understood, right? Otherwise, what would have happened? So for Bangalore, separate report, Chennai, separate report. If you are doing business across 20 regions or 20 cities, 20 reports needs to be created, right? But you don't have to create 20 reports, only one report. With this, the help of the query, we made it dynamic. Okay, this is one type of parameter. Okay, so we discussed about any. The help of any, the users are allowed to any value to the parameter. Now the question is, look here, I just go to the parameter which I created earlier. I'm going to click on the manage parameter. I want to make some changes. I'm going to leave it everything as it is. Okay, what I'll do is I'll give some meaningful name. Okay, enter the city name. So give some intuitive name. And now instead of any value, I'm going to select the list of values. Okay, let's say you are the vice president sales. You are responsible for Bangalore and CHN. And let's Hyderabad also. Okay. You're responsible for Hyderabad as well. So if I hit OK now, what will happen? Okay, intercity name. Okay. Yeah, here the current value, default value is, let's the default value is Bangalore. The current value, let's Chennai. Okay. I just hit OK now. That's all. This is your list of values. Okay. So now if I go here, sales factorable, location key, you can see the filter icon. Can you see that? The filter icon. The same, since I did not make, since I made changes to the parameter name, I need to go here, click on the drop down, and you need to clear the filter. Better you can clear the filter. Once again, click on the drop down, text filters equals. Now here I'm going to select the parameter city name. Okay. I just hit OK now. And I'm going to click on close and apply. See, now I'm going to put more restrictions because of security reasons. Because not all these location people should be able to see other location sales performance. It is going to cause some kind of issues. Maybe it will impact the morale. Okay. I just click on the transform data, edit parameters. As a developer, you need to use the edit parameter. But when you save this report and share it to someone, when they open the report, it will by default, it will ask them to enter the value here. Okay. And look here, in this case, you have the drop down. With the help of the any value parameter, you are allowing the users to see any city's sales performance. Now, with this, you are restricting. Hey, you can see only Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, man. So what is the one you can see it in the chart? Chennai, right? For example, if I select the Bangalore, I'm going to hit OK. I should be able to see only these three cities. If you give me only one city, it is a problem because I manage three cities as a manager, senior manager. Hence, what I did, I created a separate parameter. That parameter will allow the report user, whenever they open it, they should be able to see only these three cities sales performance. Edit parameters, either Bangalore or Chennai or Hyderabad. That's all, guys. This is what list of values. You can see the list of values displays here, right? With this, you can put more, restrictions. They can see one. Otherwise, in the case of previously, we've seen any value parameters. In this case, they can enter any city. They can see any city sales per. That is not the correct one. So with the list of values, we overcame that limitation. So what is the next one? We are left with the another type of parameter called query. This is slightly different. It involves additional step. What I do is I select the sales fact table and I'm going to clear the filter proactively. Next thing is what I do is step one, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on the location key here. And here, okay, let me do one thing. I just right click on it in the location key, add as new query. And here I right click on it. I just remove the duplicates because it is, yeah, see, this is the location key, right? Or I just say the some meaningful name, city key, because this query will have all the unique cities. These are the cities where I do the business. I just listed here, step one, and I go step two, I go here. I just click on the manage parameter. I'm going to reuse it, okay? Instead of list of values, I'm going to select query. This is what my query I created already. This contains all the cities where I do the business. I select this one, city key here. And then the current value is this one. I'm going to hit OK now. That's all, guys. So in the case of query parameter, you have an additional step. Step one is first create the query, which contains all the cities in our examples, unique city name, okay? And then I have used this query in my parameter. This parameter, I need to map it with my location key table because I just cleared the filter, click on the equals. And then here you select the parameter and here you need to use city name, not the city key, okay? I'm going to hit OK now. Everything looks good. I'm going to close and apply. How do I test it? As a developer, I'm the report developer. Click on the transform data. When you click on the drop down here, you will find the edit parameter. Edit parameter, you can see all the cities. Let's say you are the CEO of the company. You should be able to see all the cities, but you don't have patience to type the city name here. So you need to just click on it. That's all. Okay. Mumbai. If I hit OK now, it will go and apply the filter on this visual for Mumbai and it will show only Mumbai. So the query parameter will give you the flexibility to display all these cities or whatever that you need, right? You can select it there. Now you see Bangalore cities, Mumbai, right? I have selected Mumbai. Let us see why it is not displaying. Okay, it is yet to apply the changes. Mumbai, look here, Mumbai sales. So now we have explored any value. So any value, it will allow you to any city name. Okay, that is not secured. List of values. You wanted to restrict the users only to select only specific cities. List of values. Query parameter. It will allow the people to select any cities like any here, but you don't have to type the name of the city like how you do it here, right? So it is available as a list of values here also. But here all the cities will get displayed here. Okay. So here ends, right? This is for the C-level executive, chief executive officers or chief operating officer, company C, the owners, right? They should be able to see all the city name, but they don't have patience to type the city name and all. Since this query allow them drop down thing, right? They can select whatever they needed. List of values, you are restricting the users to only the specific cities. That's all, guys. Okay. So depends on your use case, you can use this one. See, we have a couple of other scenarios. It is already 11 o'clock, right? So most of them, they're sending the message. Can we continue the next session? Yes. As of now, whatever I covered, you just go and practice it. Tomorrow morning, all the videos will get uploaded. You are all set. Okay. You can start practicing. Yeah, this report files will share it, Monica. Okay. Don't worry. You can use it for reference, but watch my video and practice it. Okay. Any questions so far? Okay. Since you don't have any questions, I'm going to